Planning a christening and want to create a beautiful, heartfelt atmosphere? Looking for stunning yet simple decoration ideas that will make the day extra special? Whether you're celebrating at home, in a church, or at a venue, I've got 10 amazing christening decoration ideas that will make your setup elegant, meaningful, and picture perfect. Stay till the end because I'll be sharing one decoration trick that will instantly elevate your christening decor.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are some elegant table decoration ideas for a christening? Table settings play a big role in creating a refined and welcoming atmosphere. A great way to enhance your decor is using white and pastel-colored tablecloths with soft floral centerpieces for a delicate touch. Personalized details, such as name cards, printed menus, or custom napkin rings with crosses or doves, make it feel extra special. To complete the look, incorporate candles or fairy lights to add warmth and sophistication. Love these ideas? Give this video a like and share it with someone planning a christening. How can I decorate the entrance for a christening event? The entrance sets the tone for your event and gives guests a memorable first impression. Consider a beautiful balloon arch in white and gold or pastel shades to create an elegant welcome. A personalized welcome sign featuring the baby's name and the christening date adds a thoughtful and celebratory touch. To enhance the sacred feel, decorate the entrance with greenery, floral arrangements, or hanging angel wings. Want more creative entrance ideas? Check the description for a list of must-have christening decor pieces. What are some beautiful church decoration ideas? If you're having the christening ceremony in a church, subtle yet elegant decorations can make a big impact. Adorning the altar with white flowers and soft drapery creates a serene and sacred atmosphere. Pew decorations such as ribbons, small bouquets, or prayer cards can add charm while keeping things minimal. To highlight the baptismal font, consider placing candles or a floral arrangement nearby to draw attention to this special moment. How can I create a beautiful dessert table setup? A well-decorated dessert table can be a stunning focal point at a christening celebration. A tiered cake with elegant cross or angel decorations makes a beautiful centerpiece. Adding a mix of themed treats such as cupcakes, macarons, or sugar cookies decorated with doves, rosaries, or the baby's initials enhances the display. A backdrop with soft drapes, fairy lights, or a personalized banner completes the elegant setup. Want to see more dessert table inspirations? Subscribe for more event decor ideas. What are some christening balloon decoration ideas? Balloons add a festive yet elegant touch to christening decor. One classic idea is a white and gold balloon garland framing the main area, such as the dessert table or photo backdrop. Floating helium balloons tied to chairs or tables create a dreamy, light atmosphere. If you want something more unique, custom balloons printed with the baby's name or religious symbols add a personal touch. Love balloon decorations? Check the description for links to easy-to-use balloon kits. How can I decorate a christening backdrop for photos? A beautiful backdrop is perfect for capturing memories with family and friends. A floral or greenery wall with a neon or wooden sign featuring the baby's name makes a gorgeous statement. Soft drapery with fairy lights creates a dreamy and elegant setting for photos. For a more religious theme, a cross or angel wings as the backdrop can make for a stunning visual. Looking for photo backdrop DIY kits? Check the description for recommendations. How can I incorporate religious symbols in the decor? Religious symbols bring deeper meaning to the celebration while keeping the decor elegant. One idea is using crosses as table accents, either in the form of napkin rings, candle holders, or small keepsakes. Angel figurines or hanging dove decorations add a heavenly touch to the setup. Custom banners or framed Bible verses can serve as a powerful statement piece in the decor. Want more faith-inspired decor ideas? Check the description for a curated list of decor essentials. What are some unique christening centerpieces? Centerpieces tie the whole theme together and can be as simple or intricate as you like. A floral arrangement with soft white roses, lilies, or baby's breath is always a classic choice. Candle holders or lanterns with a soft glow add warmth and elegance to the table. If you want something meaningful, incorporate mini Bibles, crosses, or angel figurines into the centerpiece design. Which centerpiece idea do you love the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. These 10 beautiful christening decoration ideas will make your celebration extra special and memorable. Which decor idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to must-have christening decor essentials. Wishing you a blessed and beautiful celebration.